Every brick has a purpose. This right here is the dream, the future house, and step by step, we're getting closer to building it ourselves. Welcome back to DIY Calvinesh. So, for today's project, I decided not to work alone. I was not feeling too well, so I hired someone to help me with the brick making process today. And honestly, having extra hands makes a huge difference with this type of work. We're using river sand today, 4 wheelbarrows of this batch. One thing I've noticed recently, building costs are slowly increasing again. Not long ago, a truckload of river sand was around 800 rand. Now it's closer to 1200, mostly because of diesel prices keep going up. Even international issues end up affecting local building projects here at home. But regardless of the challenges, the work must continue. Now it's time to prepare the mixture. Today we are mixing a river sand, cement and about 2 buckets of water. This stage is extremely important because the quality of the bricks starts here. Too much water, the bricks become weak. Too little water, the mix becomes difficult to mold properly. So we take our time mixing everything thoroughly. Brick making may look simple from the outside, but consistency matters a lot. And honestly, this is probably the most exhausting part of the whole process. By the time the mixing is done, your arms, back, legs already feel the pressure. This type of work will humble you very quickly. But at the same time, there is something satisfying about it. Watching dry sand slowly transform into usable material feels productive. You can actually see the process happening with your own eyes. And because I was not feeling too well today, having someone to assist me really helped keep this work moving. Sometimes when you're building something important, you have to accept help. That's part of the journey too. The goal is not just to work hard. The goal is to keep progressing consistently. Even if the progress is slow, even if the body is tired, because every proper mixture we make today becomes another brick tomorrow. And every brick brings the dream house one step closer to reality. Now for the best part, molding the bricks. Once the mixture is ready, everything starts moving faster. Fill the mold carefully, compress the mixture properly, then release slowly. There we go, fresh homemade bricks. One by one, the pile keeps growing. That's the thing about building something yourself. Small progress eventually becomes something real. This part made me really happy. The kids decided to help me move the dried maxi bricks closer to the unfinished dream house. And honestly, seeing them involved in the process means a lot to me, because this project is bigger than just making bricks. It's about building something for the future. As a family, step by step, brick by brick, and moments like this reminds me why I started this journey in the first place. One day, when the house is finally complete, I'll be able to look back and remember that everybody played a part, even the small hands that helped build something meaningful. That's something special. These are the kinds of memories that stays forever. Not just hiring people to do everything, but actually being present in the process together. The kids were excited carrying the bricks, even though the work was tiring for them. And honestly, their energy helped motivate me too. Because sometimes when you're physically tired, seeing your children helping willingly gives you strength to continue. This whole project is teaching us patience, teaching us teamwork, teaching us that big things are built slowly over time. One load at a time, one brick at a time, one day at a time. And even though the dream house is still unfinished right now, you can already start seeing the vision coming together. That's the beautiful thing about progress. At first, it looks impossible. Then slowly, through consistency and effort, things begin to take shape. And there we have it, another successful day of brick making. More progress, more learning, and one step closer to completing the dream. Thank you for watching DIY Calvin Nash. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and join the journey as we continue building step by step. I'll see you on the next project.
Calvin Nash is on the rise, bringing dreams right to your eyes. Designs that glow, they mesmerize. South African pride, no compromise. Calvin Nash, oh, feel the vibe, spinning magic. Let's collide. Profile sleek, oh, pure delight. Dance with Calvin Nash tonight.